Now, your Doppler 10 weather forecast.
Hey, good afternoon, everybody. We have fair to partly cloudy conditions along the coastal zones, but there's a little bit more cloud cover in the interior. Also some cooler temperatures in the wake of some thunderstorms that did some rain cooling in the northwestern and western sections of the area. Right now, you look at your live WeatherBug camera down on the coastline there in Corpus Christi and looking southeast across the bay. You can see a 94-degree temperature with an east-southeast wind howling along at 20 miles an hour. Also on the left side of your screen there, those are thunderstorms in the offshore waters approaching us with a tropical wave. Let's take a look at that because you can see a large complex of storms out in the Gulf of Mexico, and those are approaching us. That's what's going to be dousing us overnight and through much of the weekend. The storms this morning are now retreating off to the north, and you can see those along the I-10 corridor. Now, the remnants of what was Tropical Storm Nana now beginning to emerge into the eastern Pacific. We're going to see those continue to move away. They have about a 40% chance of regenerating into a tropical system on the Pacific side. But around here, no impact at this time. So let's go ahead and move along and take a look at what else is going on. We do see only 77 degrees in Beeville. Isn't that nice? But 90s across most of the coastal zones, near 100 degrees back in the brush country, with dew points in the middle to upper 70s, and that's still making for heat index values in the triple digits from the coastline down into the southern portions of the region. Not an issue further to the north and west. Here's what we're anticipating: a wet weekend coming up, and every time I look at this atmospheric model, it gets wetter, and we're looking at 1 to 2 inches and more as you go through the Saturday into early Sunday time frame. So that tropical wave, you see it moving in there, it's going to keep us pretty well saturated over the first part of your holiday weekend. By Monday, it moves on out, so only isolated showers, but here comes that first big fall-like cold frontal system with snow in the Rockies on Tuesday evening. That's right, it emerges into the plains and gives us scattered showers and thunderstorms for Tuesday night into Wednesday, and much cooler air coming in the second half of this week. So tonight, this is what we're looking at. Mostly cloudy, scattered showers and thunderstorms, an east wind at 14 miles an hour, 77 for a low. Back into around the 90-degree mark tomorrow. But then the likelihood of showers and thunderstorms is going to make for some awkward holiday outdoor activities. Just be careful of that. There could be some significant rain Saturday and early Sunday. Monday, only isolated storms, and they begin to pick up speed Tuesday ahead of that big cold front. We'll see that cold front the early morning hours Wednesday. And look at the second half of the week. Highs only in the 80s, lows in the 60s. Rain should be tapering off early Thursday. It's looking like a wet week coming up, folks, and the first little taste of fall. Drew?
Bill, thank you. We